All right, what's up, YouTube? Irish USMC Vet here. Sorry for the wind. So anyways, what we're doing here is building one of those above ground raised beds. You take the T-post. You don't have to use the heavy duty ones. You can use the light duty ones. But this is going to double as something else. So anyways, roll a chicken wire 3 feet tall, or however tall you want it, because I want it 3 foot tall. I use the heavy duty ones because this will be explained in a future video. So basically, you take your area you wish to put a raised bed in, set your post, and however you want to. This is in a L configuration, and so you put your post on the ground. I currently have it secured with zip ties, but then you wrap your fencing around it, and then I'm going to go back and put wire on it, wire ties to tighten it down and keep the fence intact. Then you line it with cardboard, and then from there I'm going to fill it full of deadfall from the trees, and then fill it full of sawdust and other amendments from the compost pile, and then I will place a bag of or two of potting or topsoil on it, so that we can grow in this year, and then as it breaks down it will turn into a fairly deep bed of composted stuff. So anyways, what's going to go in this is, like I said, cardboard, any of your scraps from the garden, microrhizome powder, which I'll show in another video, and you basically just fill it up as high as you want. You can face the front with something. I'll probably put the fancy landscaping bricks until the flowers are planted and these get filled out. But and anyways, you can use this for a raised planter bed if you're not worried about aesthetics, and also a compost bin for your worms to turn it into a great bed to grow in. So stay tuned for the other videos, because I'll explain more in depth about what else it can be used for, since we are in a nuclear threat possibility. So anyways, give us a thumbs up, thumbs down, bitches, moans, complaints, leave them in the comment section below. I'm Irish USMC Vet. Simplify, Godspeed. Have a great day. Do something productive.